Hello guys, welcome to Motion Tutor, and I am back with my first After Effects template which I gave you for free, and I made it for you because you gave me 200 subscriber, and basically this is 200 subscriber special free edition template for you. So guys, it's 100% free template, so you can download it from the video description, and it's 100% After Effects template. You don't need any third-party plugin to make and use the template, so I make it very as much possible easier for you to use. So like you can see, here is the color controls, but the first will be the video controls. So you can see here the first one is this one, and the second one is the click animation, and the all three is the three click animation: first like and subscribe and bell icon click animation. And this is basically, this first one is the player overlay. Like here is the time only stuck on one frame, so if you don't want this and you don't like it, so you can just disable it. And if it's, I think it's not looking very bad, and just it's not a it's animation, it's not real thing, it's just animation. So if you don't like, so you can disable it. I also edit the button, and you can change the channel name, you can change the channel logo. So like you can add your logo in this comp. So like here you can see, and you can change the video title, you can change the views number, you can change the subscribe number, and you can change the comment number. And I just made some simples. So basically, and also the font name is Roboto, what you want to download it. So basically it's a free font, so you can download it from Google Font. So you can just type the name, or maybe I will put the font link in description. Also you want to install the font, but if you don't install the font, otherwise the title and the you can see the text will be changed. But if you like the other, so you are also able to use any other text, but it's depending on you. Everything is depending on you. So just I will tell you first how you can use it. So first of all, you need a complete rendered video. So complete rendered, complete edited video from any software what you are using. So I want to edit on, so here this is my video what I want to upload on YouTube. So I will firstly make this comp, just dragging it on a new comp, and then I want this animation on 25 frame, because I think the 25 second is perfect for the animation. So first of all, you can press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and then press hold Alt and left square bracket to trim it. And then you can just press Ctrl F, select the layer, and press Ctrl C to copy it, and go to the video comp which you will get in this comp, in this edit folder. And now here you can press Ctrl V, and then you will press left square bracket to go to 0 frame, and press left square bracket, and then it will be on first frame. And now you can see everything is changed. I just made this two version. First is simple 2D, and the second one is little bit simple classic 3D. And now you will go to the same frame where you cut it the video. You can just drag your composition here and press left bracket, left bracket, and then you can just you don't want to do anything now, so you can just delete this copy, and this is it. And you will don't get any frame cut or anything. And when the animation will be cut, the animation will be cut down, so it will be start your animation. So basically it's very cool, I think, for me. So you can edit for remembering your viewers to subscribe, but also you remember in my channel also you will get the same red color subscribe button. So feel free to subscribe, because when you subscribe on this button, so it will be automatically animated and make it to some gray. So it will be very helpful, and it's very cool animation to see you. So go to my video bottom, and then you will get the subscribe button, click on that, and also when you press the bell icon, so it will be get this it will be converted into other shape. So it's also looking very cool when you press in some YouTube channel bell icon. So press it and download it. So I hope it's very easy to use it. And also this is just a simple basic tutorial, for not a tutorial, just a video for making some views and making some subscribers. So if you are new, subscribe, and that's it. And guys, I will also update this template in future, so feel free to subscribe, because you can see now it's only 2 versions. I will make the version more version of it, more animation included in future. So feel free to subscribe. I will, when I cross 300 or 400 subscribers, so I will upgrade it and make it add some more animation in this. So feel free to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn video editing and motion graphic design, so I don't think it's true, and it's 100% or 1,000 million billion% perfect channel for you to learn video editing and motion graphic designing. So guys, you can free to subscribe and like, and tell me in comment section what I am saying. So leave a comment, and I will also upload the same animation tutorial in tomorrow or maybe 2 days ago. So you can subscribe for that tutorial if you want to learn how I made this template. And so guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will be catching you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.